How to become a successful dentist? A question every dentist or dental student asks. And here are the answers. Sit in the first row. I know all your friends are backbenchers, but trust me, your future self will thank you for this. Study only standard books by international authors. They help you to understand the topic. Use other books only where necessary. Study when you reach home from college. It would be difficult, I agree, you would be tired, but hey, success demands sacrifices. First thing first, do the work and then you can rest. Ask yourself, why you are doing what you are doing. Whether you are making a denture, the ideal work is broken into various steps, all of which have to be approved by a faculty before you move to the next step. Mistake students make is they don't try to fit the mechanical aspect of dentistry to the clinical aspect. Use social media wisely. There are superstars in dentistry. Like their work and follow them. It's a win-win for both of you. It will change your perception about dentistry and inspire you to do epic stuff. You are going to be a doctor, not a technician. Act like one right from the start. Stay safe and healthy. Stay home.